morning, everybody. We're gonna be talking about the different animal sounds in our learning station for today. And for you to decide which animal is making that sound at the last part of our learning station. So, without further ado, I would like to introduce to you the different members of the learning station. We have Mama Terry.
Hello, hi, good morning.
We have Otep.
Good morning, everyone.
And I'm Sidney, who's gonna be talking about the different sounds from different animals in the farm animals. Okay, so let's start the learning station.
Now, we will start with the different farm animals. Cow. Horse. That is the sound of the horse.
Pig. Turkey. Goose. Sheep. Grasshopper. Rooster.
That is the goat. That is chicken. That is the sound of the cat. That is the sound of the dog. That is the duck. That is the owl. That is the bee. That is the donkey.
Thank you for watching our learning station today. Goodbye.